Welcome to our guide on decorating serene outdoor spaces with a rustic farmhouse patio retreat theme. In this video, we'll explore how to incorporate various components to create a peaceful and inviting atmosphere. Let's start with the focal point of our design, the wooden pergola. This structure provides a sense of enclosure and offers partial shade, creating a cozy atmosphere. Next, we have the stone fireplace, a centerpiece for gatherings. Surrounding it with rustic wooden benches creates a warm and inviting seating area, perfect for cozy evenings. A flagstone pathway adds charm and guides visitors through the outdoor space. Its natural texture complements the rustic theme. For seating options, Adirondack chairs and wicker furniture offer comfort and style. Arrange them on the wooden deck to create multiple relaxation zones. Enclose the space with a wooden fence for privacy and a sense of seclusion. It also adds to the rustic charm of the retreat. A fire pit, nestled within a stone retaining wall, provides warmth and ambience. It's a perfect spot for roasting marshmallows or enjoying conversations. Illuminate the space with vintage lanterns hanging from the pergola. They add a touch of nostalgia and create a magical atmosphere after sunset. Rustic wooden tables serve as gathering spots for meals and conversations. Decorate them with lanterns and potted plants to enhance their natural beauty. Hang a hammock between two trees for a relaxing spot to unwind and enjoy the outdoors. It's the perfect place for an afternoon nap. Tree stump stools offer additional seating while adding a whimsical touch. They blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings. A wooden pergola swing provides a playful element and offers seating with a view. It's a favorite spot for children and adults alike. An outdoor kitchen allows for cooking and entertaining outdoors. Pair it with raised garden beds for fresh herbs and vegetables. Introduce a water feature, such as a fountain or small pond, surrounded by lush greenery. It adds soothing sounds and visual appeal. Finally, a rustic wooden arbor serves as an entryway, welcoming guests to your outdoor retreat. It's a charming addition that ties the design together. With careful attention to these components, you can create a serene outdoor space that embodies the rustic farmhouse patio retreat aesthetic. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.